Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having a screen resolution problem on your Windows computer. So I'm sure this could be a frustrating problem, and in today's tutorial we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up our start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match to go back with Device Manager. So go ahead and left click on that just to open it up. Now you want to expand display adapters, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Whatever is listed under here, you want to right click on it and then left click on update driver. You want to search automatically for updated driver software, so give it a moment. So it might say the best driver for your device is already installed, so you can try searching for updated drivers on Windows Update. I would also suggest taking note of whatever driver is installed here. And if you want to minimize out of Device Manager and then open up your web browser, I would actually suggest searching up your display adapter or driver online. So if you're using nvidia or AMD or perhaps some sort of Intel integrated graphics display driver, you just want to go ahead into Google and just type it in. So let's just say nvidia for today's tutorial. So I'm just going to say nvidia display driver, and then I'm just going to search it up. The purpose of this exercise is just to show you guys that there are automated utilities. So you see there's an option around Google and nvidia.com automatically detect NVIDIA. So we're going to go ahead and select that. You can go and navigate from their main web page as well, but this is just a shortcut. If you just went on Google and typed it in, that's what comes up. It's one of the underlying search results underneath the nvidia.com best match, so to speak. So right on this page, it should automatically begin scanning your system to see if there's any applicable drivers, and it will give you the process to actually install it. It requires the latest version of Java for this one, but I just recommend going ahead and just following along whatever it suggests here. So if you have to install Java, let it run and then see if it finds anything. And then if you want to go back to Google, let's just say you have an AMD driver instead. So just want to show this is a pretty versatile tutorial. So I'm just going to do AMD display driver. I'm just going to search that up, just something as simple as that. And you can see one of the best results is AMD.com auto detect and install graphic drivers. So again, very straightforward process here. So another thing I would suggest trying definitely after going through a device manager and see if that is able to resolve your problem. Another thing you try if you're having some real display issues, you could right click on a blank area of your desktop and then select display settings. You can change the scale and layout if you scroll down just a little bit on this page. So you can change the size of text, apps, and other items. So you can adjust it to make it bigger. It looks like you can't make it smaller than 100%. So just bump up to 125 just to give you guys an example here. So you can see everything just got a little bit bigger. And you display resolution, so you can adjust that. So my monitor is 1440 by 900 pixels. So if you had to adjust it to another resolution, you go ahead and select that there. So I'm actually going to just revert it back. It gives you the option, which is nice, to go revert back if it's not correct. So you can play around with that, so just keep that in mind as well. And if you have other displays on your computer, you can select the detect button if for some reason they're not showing up. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. You can close out of here. You can also try actually uninstalling the display adapter from the device manager. If you restart your computer, if you've already downloaded the drivers from nvidia or AMD and you're still having a problem for some reason, you can try right clicking on the display adapter here and then just uninstall the device. So you just basically would restart your computer. It should automatically begin downloading the display driver. So even if it's not the official or most up-to-date one, at least you have something, and then go ahead and online and go down the latest one like I showed a little bit earlier in this video. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.